In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view archived projects in Asana. If you've ever wrapped up a large initiative and tucked it away, you might later need to revisit its timeline, tasks, or decisions. Archiving keeps your workspace tidy without deleting history, and Asana makes it simple to surface those projects when you need them. Let's walk through the exact clicks so you can find any archived project in seconds. Start by opening Asana and heading to the Home view. Home gives you a high-level overview and quick access to your teams and projects, so it's the best place to begin. If you work across multiple workspaces or organizations, just confirm you're in the correct one before moving on. On the home page, look for the Projects area. To the right of the Projects label, there's a small drop-down arrow. Click that arrow to reveal more options for navigating your projects. This menu is a handy shortcut that keeps everything in one place. From the menu, choose Browse Projects. This takes you to a dedicated page where you can scan across all projects you have access to, and more importantly, filter them by different criteria. At the top of the Browse page, locate the filter controls and click Status. Status is where you tell Asana whether you want to see active work, paused items, or in our case, archived projects. Clicking it will open a list of status options. Select Archived. As soon as you apply this filter, the page refreshes to show only archived projects in your current workspace or team. You can scroll through the list, use the search bar to narrow by project name, or adjust sorting to bring the most recently updated items to the top. Opening any project from this list lets you review its tasks, conversations, and files just like you remember them, without putting it back into your active views. If you don't immediately see what you're looking for, double-check the team selector on the page and your access permissions. You'll only see archived projects you're allowed to view. Also note that the interface can shift slightly with product updates, but the status filter and the archived option remain the key steps. That's it. By starting on Home, opening the Projects menu, choosing Browse Projects, filtering by status, and selecting Archived, you can quickly locate past work whenever you need it.